Now it's sealed, it's clean. Now we're just going to go through a quick operation of the window. Window's currently in its locked position. It's got the double locks on it. Go ahead, you unlock both of them. Raise the lower sash. It'll only go this high because it has sash stops in place. Then, to clean it, whenever you want to tilt the window in, you always want to make sure you have at least the size of your fist underneath that window before you tilt it in. If you go down too low and try and tilt it in, you'll damage the frame or you'll damage this rail. So you always want to make sure that fist is right there. And you go ahead, pull in the 2 tilt locks, tilt the window down. You can go ahead and let it hang in that position for cleaning. Lower the top, tilt it down after you move into tilt locks. There you go. Now you can clean your window. Now just put everything back up. Grab your 2 tilt locks, squeeze them in, lock it in place, raise it up. It's in the up position now. Lower sash, same thing. Grab the tilt locks, push them in, lock it, lower that down. And now one more thing, you got the night lock on here. You push this over here, this night lock, you push it in and up and it lets it pop out. And then you can raise your window, open it up that far, you get about 3-4 inches of airflow. And the window there can't open any further. Now you just lower your window back down, lock it up again, push the night lock back in, slide it down into its locked position or unlocked position, and there it is.